Kidde smoke/co-alarm beeping and saying low battery. Replaced battery, plug back in and shrill beep that won't stop even after pushing hush button. Battery tests good. Model #not COSM 18.
How long have you had your not COSM 18?
6 years.
What have you tried so far?
Replaced battery. Blue unit clean with can of air.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do all I can to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. Try this procedure: turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Remove the detector and unplug the power supply. Remove the battery. With the battery removed, press and hold the test button for 15 to 20 seconds. Replace the new battery and plug in the power supply. Turn the circuit breaker back on. Put the detector back in its bracket. Do you have more questions?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.